Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Previously we have discussed about heap, its basic, binary tree and some examples of complete binary tree. Now let us move forward and see various types of heaps, insertion and deletion part. So let us start with our heap. There are two types of heap, max heap and min heap. What is max heap? Max heap means the parent node, that is the root node, will be greater than the decedent root. Means the root node will be the higher and the subparts or its child nodes will have the lesser values. And min heap is subsequently opposite of max heap. The root node will be minimum than the decedent leaves node. The minimum heap and the max heap, insertion and deletion part we will see in this video. Before going into insertion part, we will see some points about heap, the properties of heap. Heap is a complete binary tree as we have discussed earlier, and the max heap definition will be like this: the root node will be greater than the decedent, means the value of the root node will be always greater. In min heap, it will be the consequent of the max heap. The root node will be having lesser value than the leaf nodes. So we will insert and delete in the max heap, and the same procedure will be followed in minimum heap. So there is a binary tree which represents a parent node 40, its child with 30 and 20, then 30 has two child 10, 9 and 20 has two child 8 and 7. So we have represented it in an array. We have denoted the index from 1, 2, 3 till the last node. So the question arises, we have to insert 60. So in a max heap, we have to insert 60. So what are the rules we will follow? We will see here. We are going to insert 60 in this binary tree using heap. So a first rule says that we have to insert to the last node of the tree. Since this is a complete binary tree and all the levels are completed, so we will directly move to the left first node. And suppose if this node is not present, so our 60 will be inserted here because it is an incomplete node. And suppose if this also node is incomplete, we will go from last node. So our 60 will be inserted here. Since the parent of 60 is less than 60, so we will swap this there and we will write 10 below. So we swap 60 with its parent 10, and now 60, say the parent of 60, it is now 30. 30 is less than 60, since parent is less than 60, but according to max heap property, parent should be greater than its child node, so we will again swap it there. Okay, 60 is here, the parent of 60 is now 40. See the parent node, it is smaller or greater than its child node. 40 is less than 60, so we will again swap 60 there. This is the final binary tree we get after inserting 60. So let us look to the array representation now. So 60 was here. 60 will be, let's first index it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What was the formula for parent, you know? It was I by 2. So it is 8 by 2, it is 4. So parent of 60 will be at 4th place, that is 10. So we first 60 was here at the beginning, we swap it again. Okay, then 60 come here, 10 goes there. After see the parent of 60 now. So here I have represented the array, the swapping method according step by step. And this is the final tree we will get after inserting 60. Earlier the parent of 60 was 10, so we swap because it was less. After coming at this position, the parent of 60 is 30. It is lesser than the child node, so we again swap it. And you know how the parent of 60 is 30, because 60 is as fourth position and I by 2 means 4 by 2 is 2, so parent. Again after here 60, the parent of 60 is 40, as 40 is less, so we swap it and we got this final array and we represented it in this binary form. So you can note this. Look here, another example. The question is insert 1, the value 1. So where we will insert it? See the node at the last, this side is incomplete. Okay, so we will directly insert here the number 1. Okay, and since the parent of 1 is greater than the leaf node, so no swapping required here. So the time complexity here is O of 1, order of 1. So in this type of problem, the time complexity will be O of 1 since no swapping required. And the problem other than this, where we are swapping it, the length of the binary tree is log n, so the time complexity will be order of log n. Let's see another example. This is a complete binary tree. We have to insert 55. So where we will insert it? See the binary tree. This parent node is complete. The second one is complete. The third node is completely filled. The fourth level here, from here it is incomplete. Okay, so we will see the first incomplete node here, that is this. So we'll insert 55 here. So is it correct? No, because the parent of 55 is 30 and 30 is less than 55. So we will swap it. After swapping, 30 comes down and 55 goes up. Now the parent of 55 is 50. So is it greater than 50 or less than 50? It is less than 50. So again we will swap this. After swapping, 50 comes down, 55 goes up. Now the parent of 55 is 70. Look, 70 is greater than 55 or less than 55? It is greater than 55. So we will stop here. So the 55 position will be at index 2. So this is the complete binary tree using maxheap. We have inserted 55. So let us look at the algorithm of inserting a value in a maxheap. We are declaring a function insert heap a, that is the array, n, that is the value of index, and the value which we have to insert. So n is equal to n plus 1. Previously n was still 5. Let us see this binary tree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to insert a value. So we are declaring it as another index. So it is n plus 1. It is 5. Now it is 5 plus 1, 6. At 6th position the value will be inserted. So a of n equal to value. So this position will become that value. 6. That value will be inserted here. Okay. So we are taking a variable. Here I. So I will be at this position. Okay. So now I become the n. That is 6. The position of the new value index will assume at I. So we will look whether we have to swap that number, whether it is less than or greater than. So we will look into this. I by 2, the formula. If a of parent, if this parent is less than a of I, okay. Suppose the parent, this index parent is less than this, so we will swap it with the other one, and that I becomes the parent. Now I will go to that node. You can see here, here we have to insert 55. Earlier 55 was last position. If a of parent means this was a parent, if it is less we will swap, or we will keep it here only. Okay, that is the only thing we are If not, we will return that value only, the previous value, because it is smaller. So again we will, all these things we will take into the while loop while I is greater than 1. Okay, this was a simple algorithm, and the time complexity for this is O of log n. You can note this algorithm. I will provide the written notes in the description. You can check it from there. Let us move towards the deleting part. This is also known as removing heap. So there is a complete binary tree possessing 90, 40, 50, 16, 10, 4 and 22. The array representation of that heap is given below. We have to delete 90. अब 90 डिलीट कैसे करेंगे? डिलीटिंग 90, तो 90 डिलीट करने के पहले कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करेंगे. ऑलवेज डिलीट द रूट नोड. सबसे पहले हम लोग रूट नोड को डिलीट करेंगे. आफ्टर डिलीटिंग द रूट नोड हम लोग लास्ट नोड को वहाँ पे रिप्लेस करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल कंपेयर विथ इट्स चाइल्ड, और अगर वो छोटा रहा तो वी विल स्वैप इट, जो भी नोड बड़ा रहेगा. So this way we will delete the root node. So we deleted 90, और जो लास्ट पोजीशन पे 22 था वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आ गया. अब 90 डिलीट हुआ तो कहाँ जाएगा? कहीं तो उसको रखना पड़ेगा. So we are giving a extra space to 90 at the end of the array. ठीक है, तो हम लोग ने लास्ट में उसको 90 को रख दिया. अब हम लोग 22 जो कि लास्ट में था वो 90 डिलीट होने के बाद रूट नोड पे आ गया. अब हम लोग 22 के चाइल्ड को कंपेयर करेंगे. अगर कोई बड़ा रहेगा तो फिर दैट विल स्वैप इट एंड इट विल रिप्लेस 22. सो द चाइल्ड ऑफ 22 इज 40 and 50. अमॉन्ग दिस 50 इज ग्रेटर, सो 50 विल स्वैप. आफ्टर स्वैपिंग 50 इज एट द टॉप, 22 केम डाउन. अब फिर से कंपेयर करेंगे कि 22 के जो चाइल्ड है वो उससे बड़े हैं या छोटे. 22 हैज ओनली वन चाइल्ड, दैट इज 4 and it is smaller. So our deleting stops here, and this is the final tree we are getting, or this is the final array we are getting, this one. So this way we have to follow the procedure of delete. First delete the root node, then compare, then the last element will be go at the top, then compare its child. If it is greater, swap it, और फिर से चेक करो, और भी अगर ग्रेटर होंगे फिर से स्वैप करेंगे, एंड दिस विल गो till the end when the child is smaller than the root node, as we are following the max heap property. root node हमेशा बड़े रहेंगे अपने child से. So let us see some another example. See this example, we will delete one by one, and finally we will get a sorted array or sorted heap. So the first node is 95 here and the last node is 55. As we discussed earlier, we have to delete first root node. I have mentioned the index number and represented it in an array. So the first node is 95, the last node is at 11th position 55. So 95 will be deleted and the last node 55 will come at first position. So we have deleted 95 and placed it in the empty space at the 11th position, कि हमको फिर एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. हमने उसी नंबर ऑफ इंडेक्स में 95 को रखा है, अभी जस्ट प्लेस किया, और 55 को उसके वी हैव स्वैप्ड इट एट द रूट नोड. नाउ वी विल कंपेयर इट विथ इट्स चाइल्ड कि दे आर ग्रेटर और दे आर स्मॉलर, एंड देन वी विल स्वैप. Now 55 has two child, 75 and 84. Among this 84 is greater. So we will swap 55 with 84. After swapping 84, now we have to delete the root node. Now the root node is 84. So 84 will be deleted, and the last node, that is 45, which is at 10th position, it will replace 84. So 84 is now deleted. See the array down. Now only the 9 spaces are remaining. The last two, 10th and 11th position, are vacant. So we have put the deleted atom there in the backward direction. Means we will get a shorted heap at the last. So now 45 is at the root node. Compare with its child. 45 has two child, 75 and 53. Among these, 75 is greater. So 75 will swap with 45. So now 75 is at root position and 45 came down. So अभी 45 जो सेकेंड इंडेक्स पे है, we will compare its child, क्योंकि देखो 75 तो ऊपर चला गया, लेकिन 45 के दो चाइल्ड है, 40 और 74, बट 74 इज ग्रेटर देन 45, सो वी विल स्वैप इट. हमको बाइनरी कंप्लीट बाइनरी ट्री और मैक्स हेप के प्रॉपर्टी को लेते हुए आगे सॉल्व करना है. सो वी विल स्वैप दिस आल्सो हियर ओनली. सो आफ्टर स्वैपिंग इट we are getting the tree like this, 75 at the root node. Now 75 will be get deleted and the last node, which is at 9th index, 10, will be caught at the top of the tree. You can see the changes I have made in the array. Okay. Now 75 got deleted and it came at the 9th position. मतलब ये सब तो खाली था, उसमें हम लोग लास्ट से भरते जा रहे हैं. We will at final we will get a sorted array there. So now the 10th is at the root node. Compare with its child, same procedure follow करेंगे. इसके 74 और 55 दो child nodes हैं. As 74 is greater, we will swap with 10. 10 got swapped here, but you can see the child of 10, 40 and 45, they both are greater than the parent. So again we will swap the greatest value. So 45 is greatest, so 45 will swap with 10. तो 10 नीचे आ जाएगा, 45 ऊपर चला जाएगा वहाँ पे सेकेंड पोजीशन पे, एंड फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे 10 आ जाएगा. ये अभी भी पेरेंट और नोड का रिलेशन याद रखना. फिफ्थ का पेरेंट कौन होगा? 10. I/2 फॉर्मूला से याद करेंगे. और 10 का राइट नोड का फॉर्मूला क्या था? 2 into I plus 1 वाला फॉर्मूला. ओके. नाउ 74 इज एट रूट, तो 74 डिलीट कर देंगे, वही यूजुअल प्रोसीजर फॉलो किया जाएगा. और द लास्ट पोजीशन पे है 8, सो 8 विल रिप्लेस विद द रूट नोड. नाउ 74 डिलीट हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन सी द ट्री इज गेटिंग शॉर्टर एंड शॉर्टर. इतना डीपली आपको कोई एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके नहीं देगा. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर आवर चैनल एंड वीडियोस. 15 ऊपर आ चुका है फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, और 74 डिलीट हो चुका था. अभी आप देख सकते हो कि लास्ट में हम लोग को एक शॉर्टेड एरे मिल रहा है. ऐसे हमको पूरा शॉर्ट करना है इसको, एरे को. सो नाउ 15 तो अभी सबसे बड़ा, क्योंकि ही मैक्स हेप में प्रॉपर्टी क्या था, द टॉप एलिमेंट शुड बी मैक्सिमम. सो 15 इज नॉट द मैक्सिमम. विल कंपेयर द पेरेंट विथ इज चाइल्ड 45 एंड 55. 55 is greater, so 55 will replace, or we can say swap 15. So 55 is get swapped with 15, and you can see the changes made in the array. Of 55 is the largest element in this binary tree, so we will delete 55 and the last node. अब इसमें last node कौन सा है? इसमें 7th पोजीशन पे 2. अब वो लास्ट नोड रिप्लेस हो जाएगा फर्स्ट पे जाके. So now 2 is at root node. Again follow the same procedure, delete the maximum node. So 2 is not the maximum. Compare with the child 45 and 50. 45 is greater, replace 45 here. 2 will come down, 45 will go up. After seeing this binary tree, can you say it is a complete binary tree? और ये follow करता है मैक्स हिप के प्रॉपर्टी को. It is a complete binary tree, but it is not following the max heap property, since the parent 2 is less than its child. So we will replace 40 with 2. Now 45 will get deleted, and the last node is at 6th index, that is 4. It will replace with the first node. If you understand the rules or steps, तो आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हार्ड नहीं लगेगा. ये बहुत ही इजी प्रॉब्लम है और इससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू दिस इन डीपली, स्टेप बाय स्टेप हर एक चीज़ को मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. अभी 4 रूट पे है. 4 इज नॉट ग्रेटर बिकॉज मैक्स के प्रॉपर्टी के हिसाब से द रूट नोड शुड बी द ग्रेटर. सो विल कंपेयर इट विथ इज चाइल्ड. चाइल्ड में 40 और 15 है, सो 40 विल गेट स्वैप्ड विथ 4. नाउ 40 विल गेट डिलीटेड and the last node 10 will be go there. So you can see here how the हाउ वी आर गेटिंग ए सॉर्टेड हीप हियर 40, 45, 50. हमने इसको एक एक करके डिलीट किया गया था. द लास्ट एलिमेंट हियर वाज डिलीटेड फर्स्ट. फिर हम लोग एक डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जा रहे हैं. अभी 10th इज एट रूट नोड. कंपेयर विद द चाइल्ड 15 इज ग्रेटर, सो replace 15 with 10. Now 15 will get deleted and the last node here is 2, which is at 4th place. 2 will come in place of 15. 15 will get deleted. 2 is smaller than 10. 10 will get swapped with 2. 2 will come down. अब आपको आगे का प्रोसीजर पता ही चल जाएगा. Now 10 will get deleted and the last node is 2. So 2 will go there. So 2 will come here and this will be get deleted. Now compare the node. 4 is greater, so 4 will go up and 2 will come down. So 4 will come here, 2 will go down. Now 4 will get deleted and 2 अब सिर्फ 2 बचता है तो 2 वहीं का वहीं रहेगा. We will stop deleting anything now. So this is the sorted heap we got after deleting the elements and the time required for this was order of log n. So हमने देखा कि इंसर्शन और डिलीशन कैसे किया जाता है एक हीप में. सो बेसिकली हीप सॉर्ट में 2 स्टेप्स आ गए. क्रिएशन ऑफ हीप, दैट इज इंसर्ट करना, जो हमको पर्टिकुलर एरे में एलिमेंट्स दिए होंगे उसे एक बाइनरी ट्री कैसे बनाएंगे और एलिमेंट्स कैसे इंसर्ट किएंगे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मैक्स हीप. मेन हीप सेम वही रहेगा, बस उसमें ऊपर टॉप एलिमेंट विल बी द मिनिमम वन. सो मैक्स हीप में हम लोग कैसे ट्री बनाएंगे, क्योंकि द रूट नोड विल बी द ग्रेटर वन और फिर उसके सब्सिक्वेंट चाइल्ड सब रहेंगे और फिर एक एक करके डिलीट कर करके हमको एक सॉर्टेड एरे बनाया जाएगा. वो होगा हमको हीप सॉर्ट बेसिकली वी विल गेट एट द फाइनल. सो लेट अस लुक एट एन एग्जांपल. दोनों हीप इंसर्शन एंड हीप डिलीशन. We will calculate the time complexity by seeing the another example. So stay tuned. Look at this example. We will perform both insertion and deletion of a heap. So first of all, we will do this in the max heap. Okay. So first we will take the first element 2. Then the second element will be corresponding like this 2 and 10. Now max heap says the root element should be greater. So 10 will go up, 2 will come down. Now we will fill the another one, that is 5. ठीक है, वो छोटा है तो वहीं पे रहेगा. Then 30 will come to the left side. 30, but according to max heap, the largest element should be at the top. So we will swap it again here and then here. So 30 will come at the first place. So we will write 30 here. Then 10 will come down and 2 will come down. So 10 and 2. The next element is 40. It will come here 40. But again 40 is not the smallest element. It is the largest element, so it will go to the top. So we will first replace with its parent. 40 will go there. 40 will come here. 10 will come here. Again 40 is small greater than its parent, so we will swap up. So 40 here, 30 here. This is the binary tree we are getting after inserting all the elements given in the array. So we will represent it in the array 40, 30, 5, 2 and 10, which are indexed from 1 to 5. So we will now perform deletion part to get a sorted array, sorted heap. Same procedure in deletion. Delete the root node first and the last node will be come to the first position. Means ये delete होगा और ये last वाला उसके जगह पे चला जाएगा. Last element is at root now. Compare with its child. कि कोई बड़ा होगा तो उसको वहाँ पे replace कर देंगे, swap कर देंगे. 30 is greater. So we will swap it with 10. Now 30 is at the topmost position and it is the greater. अब हम 30 को डिलीट कर देंगे और लास्ट एलिमेंट जो होगा तो 30 के प्लेस पे जाएगा. वही प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेंगे जो हम पहले करते आ रहे हैं. अब 2 ऊपर चला गया लेकिन 2 has child which are greater than that, so we will again compare कौन सा बड़ा है 10 या 5. 10 बड़ा तो 10 will replace with 2, or we can say it will swap each other. अब 10 बड़ा है तो 10 will get deleted, and the last node is 3, it will replace 10. Now 3 will get deleted and only 1 and 2 is remaining, so we got the sorted heap here. And if we draw the binary tree, we will get is that it is 2, 3, 10, 30 and 40. This is the sorted heap. So we have looked upon insertion, deletion and the final heap sorting. So the time complexity is for the heap sorting, time for complete heap sort is O of 2n log n. Since 2 is constant, the time complexity of heap sorting is n log n. See to this animated video, you will get a clear cut idea